So let me share my screen. Okay, so we are in
your screen.
That's great. We are in the stages dashboard, the same as you have seen 2 months ago. And let's let's say the first project that we have here. So this is our stages on the left panel. This is description of the each stages. So you see basically what's happening in that stages. So let's select like the mid stage, post demolition. And here's the nodes which are happening and done in stages. This is our own software.
Yeah, so let's just assume we've seen this all, because we did a deep dive on this in our first show. You gave us a deep dive. So let's just assume it's just like a college class. We're at a 200 series class, if that makes sense. We've already taken the prerequisite course to come look at this.
So let's go to our control panel, which is stage info, of course. And here you have like a import Mattertags. That cannot be easier, like just import Mattertags. It loads the current Matterport model, the stage that you are in, and actually through our SDK connection to the Matterport account and Matterport model, you see all of the stages, actually all of the stages Mattertags listed in floor 1, floor 2, the one which are a little bit gray color. It means that they are already imported because they were selected by the user that they are important. Right now, I just open it and I see here echo worm panels. So let's see what's this. You see some kind of the description. I see rock wool component here. Okay, so it's the pile of the rock wool pallets here. So if I want to import those two with this description and everything that you spend your valuable time in the corporations to fill in the data, you just select this one and that one, and you can say that you can import this as the issue or as the information boxed only. And if you remember, the issues got status option if it's pending, in progress, resolved, or unresolved, but because it's just a pure text, so let's put in information data, and then when you're gonna import selected, import, that's basically it. You can filter those tags by colors, by all of the things that you have already spent a lot of time in the Matterport, but the process is actually done. So if you're gonna go and exit importer right now, you see now it's gray as well. So that means it's gone from the list. So if you're gonna go and back to the node system, you see that this rock wool panel, it was added by me today to that project, as well as the echo worm panels. And when you're gonna click it, of course, it brings you back to that particular place in stages with that information box in here. Of course, here I can add more data, which Matterport tags do not hold, like change it, for example, to the issue right now. And I can add this, that it's pending issue. I can add signed Robert to that one and say to Robert that please move this since the floor people are coming today.